Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule reel on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right. And here you can see an option of scheduled content. Click on that. So here you can see there is no scheduled content. So how you can schedule reel? So you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom, and then you need to go into the reel section, and you simply need to select any reel from your smartphone. Then you need to click on add on the top right. Then you need to click on next again. Click on next again. Here you need to scroll down, and here you can see option of advanced settings. Click on that, and then you need to click on schedule this reel, and you can select any time according to your choice. Then you need to click on done. Then you need to click on that and click on continue scheduling, and here you can see a button of schedule. Once you click on that, your reel will be scheduled on Instagram. So this is the process by which you can schedule reel on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.